Hi, yeah, hi. I've decided to learn how to draw. So yeah, like figures especially. I'm a little bit nervous. Not really sure where to start, but I'm sure you guys are going to guide me through it. And I'm sure I'm in safe hands with you. Oh, you're not kidding. Welcome to drawing. Oh, whatever you do, don't listen to this guy. He's super vague and confusing. Oh, don't say that. Look, drawing's easy. All you need to do is express yourself, relax into it. Drawing is much like love. And so if you love the drawing will love you back. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Look, like, love doesn't even converge to a vanishing point. It just expands all over the place willy-nilly. It's ridiculous, okay? If you want to learn how to draw, it's me. It's just me, only me. Look, here's a book, look. How to draw. And what's inside on every page? Me. Perspective. If you want to learn how to draw, it's just me. Oh, I'm sorry, because I thought he said he wanted to draw living human beings. But sure, if you just want to draw toasters and robots, this is your guy. Hey guys, what's up? Do you remember that one? Hey, sorry I'm late. I've been on the red carpets. You know me? Oh, he's here. Oh God, he's here. Oh, hey, Values, there are some paintings out there that aren't really working. Are you planning on getting to those at any point? Oh, really, yeah? Well, how about you have a go at fixing them? Well, you know, that's not what I do. No, it's not, is it? Because what you do is let me do all the work while you take all the credit. Yeah? Oh, look at the colours. Oh, aren't the colours beautiful? And meanwhile, I'm doing all the heavy lifting, right? Let's take a picture of this idiot right here, okay? And we'll have him without you. No colour, just me, just Values. Looks pretty good, looks stylish, looks classy. The world without you is cool. Now let's look at this guy without me, just you. Pretty freaky. Yeah, cool. So anyway, are you planning on getting to those paintings at some point? Yeah, of course I'm gonna do it. Good man. Right, I'm off to another award ceremony. Yeah, not much space left on the mantelpiece, but first world problems, am I right? See you later. I just hate him so much. Hello. Oh, hi. Details. Cool. Yeah, I'm really interested in you. I'm interested in you too. I like your hair. Oh, my haircut, yeah? Oh, that's nice. Most people don't really comment on it. I've just shaved it recently. Not your haircut. I can't see your haircut. I mean the hair on your wrist, the little one there. It's beautiful. Okay, so just ignore him, okay, because he's a little bit mental. You know, I still love him, but just, you know, I just wish he wouldn't try and ruin my life all the time. I hate him too, Gesture. Oh, I don't want to upset anyone. I just care about everything. Every tiny little thing. All right, do you know what, guys? I think this might not be for me. You know, you guys are nuts. So, I don't know, I might try baking instead or something. Look, I know we're a mad bunch and it's hard to get on with us at first. But if you persevere with us and you work with us, we'll work with you and eventually we'll be the best friends you ever had, you know? Especially me, I'm gonna be there for you. So, you know, keep going with us and persevere. Deal? Maybe you should just come with me. Everyone's impressed with me. You want to impress your friends, don't you? Okay, let's do it. No, don't go with him. Don't worry, he'll be back. You know, maybe. He'll spend a year or two just rendering and then he'll realize and he'll come back to us. Oh. Boo! We don't want these silly skits. We want life drawing tutorials and tips. And I agree with you. So we have been working really hard on a new 10-day challenge. The name of the challenge is Fresh Eyes. And we're going to start to see the figure in a new way that is highly simplified, but it's going to be really transformative for your drawings because you're going to be able to see a figure and instantly understand what's happening in the shoulder, what's happening in the torso with the squash and stretch, the ribcage pelvis relationship, how are the legs attaching. It's going to be super powerful, probably the best challenge that we have ever come up with. To make it possible, we actually had to do a photo shoot to get custom references because the poses are designed specifically for the exercises that we're going to be doing. And the way that that turned out was just blew my mind. It looks so good. One of the most fun things about these challenges is that sense that we're doing it together, that there's other people doing it too. And so whether you want to share your drawings or just encourage other people or just hang out and see what's going on, we're building a new community platform for all that kind of interaction. And the community platform looks really, really cool as well. So it's tutorials, it's live sessions to guide you through the exercises, specialized references to draw, and a new community platform to interact with and hang out together. I can't even describe how fun I think this is going to be. It's free to everyone, it's open to everyone as long as you're over 18. Make sure you are on our newsletter so you can stay up to date and you can make sure that you get all the links and stuff to do it. So I really hope to see you there. It's going to be super, super cool. In the meantime, there should be a video somewhere up on the screen. Check it out, and I'll see you over there.